Hi guys, this is a morning nature walk that me and my parents always go on, and sorry that you can see my shoes walking. Really sorry about that, but like my shoes. Guys, comment in the comment section if you guys like my shoes. Well, like, path. I'm going towards the path. I'm going towards the path. I don't know why I just randomly turned the camera there for a second. I don't know why I just randomly did that. And I'm probably just gonna wait here for a second to let you guys hear the sounds and just look at the thing. Going back to where I just was, just to let you guys see the nature, dude. Nature. Like the leaves, the trees, brother. Look at them trees, bruh. Look at them trees. Cardinal feather. What? Where? And like, I am going with someone for my safety because I am just a kid. And my parent said that there was a cardinal feather. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Look at that boy.
Hold it up for me, and I want to take a picture of it.
And like, just the time God put into this is just crazy, man. Crazy. Walking. I'm just acting like I'm walking on water, but it's actually rocks. Hey guys, most definitely comment in the comment section if you like my shoes. And like, by the way guys, like and subscribe if you like my Minecraft shirt. Don't know if you guys could see that too well because I am recording this video on an Android phone. So yeah, I pretty much like suck at YouTube because I only have 27 subscribers. So subscribe guys, just subscribe. Just sub to me, like for real, sub to Lazy Dogs. And by the way guys, I don't know why I named my channel Lazy Dogs. I just like the name, okay guys? I like the flipping name. Don't question why I named it that. I just like cats and dogs, so that's kind of why I named my channel that. So yeah guys. And by the way guys, I for some reason YouTube only lets me record for 15 minutes. That's how long they let me record. I don't know why, but they just make me have to record that long in Magnolia Tree. Sky. Why was that actually hard to look at the sky? I'm just holding the camera and not looking at it. I'm just gonna take a second to look at the nature, dude. Nature. I think those are dead leaves. Well, let's do this. Okay, hopefully that was fun for you guys. This would be, and I'm gonna raise the camera to be really, really high in the sky. I'm making you guys be able to see high, brother. High. This is like actually as high as I can get it. So hopefully you guys thought that being higher up was cooler. Oh yeah, I'm wiggling the camera. I'm just gonna make you guys go down, down, brother. Now I'm making you guys go down. Now I'm giving you the effect nausea from Minecraft. Okay, guys. Don't know why I did that. But like next video that I do is probably gonna be another NHRA video. And if you guys didn't see that video, then be sure to check it out. It's I think it's a really good one, but I watched it and personally I think it's a really, really, really good video. Like, for real, so check it out. And by the way, it's called NHRA Racing with Big Air at End. I think that's what it's called. I just made up the name. Wow. Wow. I'm using you guys as a sword. This is what it feels like to be a sword. Okay, guys, hopefully you didn't see my face in that, but if you did, it's probably fine, guys. It's fine. Trees, brother, trees.
Don't go down there. The doggy bucket.
Oh, doggy. I'm going on a cricket path and I'm giving you guys nausea again from Minecraft. I'm running. I'm just getting a little run for the day in. I'm doing a lap around. I'm just doing a running lap. Okay, guys. That was quite the run. I'm sitting down for a second. And also, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the nature because I'm gonna sit down for a second. I'm gonna get back up now. Oh my God. Guys, my battery power for my phone is 15. So, and if it's 15, that means to subscribe. Okay, guys, it doesn't mean to subscribe, but if you want to make me happy, subscribe. But like, really, you don't have to subscribe, but it would make me happy if you did. So, I guess subscribe, guys. And also hit that like button. And subscribing is free. So, subscribe. Because subscribing to me is free. Airplane? Airplane? Helicopter plane? No helicopter plane. This should actually, for real, be the new Windows screensaver. No, this should, guys. That should be the new Windows screensaver. Okay, guys, well, I'm probably going to wrap it up right there. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, then smash that like button and also subscribe. Bye, I guess.